Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by emptying the feeder and separating every piece. Use hot tap water to flush sugar and crud. This removes most fresh residues. Once drained, take apart the base, ports, bottle, and any silicone seals so you can reach hidden surfaces. Make sure to work over a sink or bucket. Rinsing now prevents hardened buildup and makes the next cleaning step faster. If glass or plastic looks cloudy, proceed to the scrubbing step immediately to avoid staining and bacterial growth. You now tackle the deep clean. Prepare a diluted cleaning solution, 1 part bleach to 10 parts water or 1/4 cup vinegar per liter, for a 10–15 minute soak to kill mold and yeast. After soaking, scrub the bottle interior with a brush and use small pipe cleaners for each feeding port and crevice. Scrub until the film is gone. Once done, rinse repeatedly under running water until the smell is gone and droplets run clear, because residue can harm birds. You finish by letting all parts air dry completely. Moisture trapped inside can feed harmful microbes, so make sure pieces are bone dry before putting them back together. Reassemble carefully, refill with fresh nectar at a 4:1 water-to-sugar ratio, and hang the feeder in its usual spot. Finally, monitor daily for cloudiness or fermentation. If hummingbirds stop visiting, or you see film or odor, perform another full clean and change nectar immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.